Welcome back to Rowdy Relics. My name is Trevor. Today I have a big list of stuff. The only goal is to get some paint on my Mercedes over there. First thing I gotta do is clean up my life. And by that, I mean we need to clean up this corner. We're gonna do that right now. Okay, Trev, get it cleaned up already. Okay, will do. Isn't that better? Oh, I didn't get rid of anything. I just moved it all around. So, now that we got a clean workspace, well, I can bring in some parts. Whew. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? Just wait. There is more though, so. Paint. Let's get into this box. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, this is gorgeous. Look at this. This is a 603 injection pump, completely mechanical from Ben's Force. It's set and ready to go. And look at how beautiful it is. So we need to get that engine pretty enough for this. Ooh yeah, I'm so excited. But put it away now. Bye-bye. You know the deal. Need an engine right here. There. Holy, that's a lot of stuff to take off. Oh, that's good stuff. Rain keeps falling on my hood. Whoa. What are we doing? I don't know. That's good enough. Good enough for me. Wow, I'm more than happy with that. So nice. So nice. Time for the next step. Square. There we go. We're ready to throw some paint on it. Where's my paint? Let's get some paint runs in there. Let's go. That's it. That's all she wrote. That's all we gotta do. Oh, it's amazing how like 20 minutes of painting takes like all day to prep. That's how you do it. That is not how you do it. Don't do it the way I did it. Take it apart, take it to a machine shop, drop it in a tank of acid. They'll clean everything off for you. And then you can basically just paint it. Like, take your time. I don't have time. I want the engine in the truck. I want the truck to run. I want to drive it. I want to break it. Yeah, and do it all again. Tomorrow I will be doing more stuff. Oh man. He's not that fast. You done having a tantrum? Feel tired? So dude, thanks for letting me move into your shop.
Welcome to Rowdy Relics, and I am Cody Penner, or other people know me as Boy Boy. And this is my 1989 Toyota pickup.
Little freaking sweet little progress report.
The bolts fit, looking sweet.
Getting that going for the LS Toyota. And I got some parts ready for this. So what did I do? I put my block off plate on, put my dash 10.
What you doing there?
Well, if you look here at my JIC adapters, fell in the bucket. So I had to do the hand dip of shame with my friggin' oil bucket. It was in this corner. Oh, I might not even have, oh, I don't even have to get my arm wet. Oh man. At least it's all I pre-oiled the O-ring.
Yeah. Famous words. Freaking sweet.
Friggin' sweet. But I think we're gonna try and get the pump on here soon. I mean, you're gonna get your engine on like Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah.
Start putting this together.
And then into at that.
I'm getting it in there. We got some beauty body work. And NASCAR on the radio. Got the pretty pump on, the pretty engine, the pretty spray foam getting shaped.
Hey, what are you doing? Can't work. Freaking ducks chasing me.
I think so. That's a big frisbee you got.
Yeah. See? 5.3 lead.
Well, the build off is being completely won by Cody. Wow!
Got it.
Okay, we're safe. Anyways, you probably pick it up a little bit, but that thing is bolted in. Cody had it in here in like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Engine mount. Coil.
Coil pop.
Oh, I didn't think the front shocks would let it droop that much. Well, it droops that much.
Cap a little. Yep. No! I think the main priority is in the shop right now is get NASCAR live.
I'm down.
NASCAR live?
Yeah, get a TV and a cable box in here, get some NASCAR going in the shop.
NASCAR Sunday?
NASCAR Sunday.
NASCAR Sunday. Dude, aside from the headers, this was like a match made in heaven, eh?
Dude, they fit so good.
Oh, yeah.
They're way better than Toyota V.
We want all
Random.
Oh! God.
No! That's terrible!
Go away, Star. Oh my god.
Kenny! All you hear is bump, 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 the whole f***ing time. Let's go, let's go, let's go! No!
Alright, Mr. Cody. What have you got up to in the last week since I've been at work?
Well, for the color scheme, I wanted the blue, the pink, and the purple to match the 90s graphics that the truck has. It fits, the hood actually closes and clears my plastic because I'm one of those guys who wants to keep that because it looks cool. And they don't make engine paints in these colors. So this is chair material. This is for a household kids dresser, and the purple spray paint showed an engine bay on the can, so I'm assuming it works in an engine. So this is the prettiest you ever see this engine, because I will never clean it. I got some hugger headers coming to try to modify to make an exhaust manifold, because it is extremely tight in here. The starter and the mounts on this side, that's going to be the issue to get the headers out.
Oh yeah.
Right now I'm bordering 300, but with the upgraded injectors I just got and some other little things, I'm trying to push a little bit because the transmission's rated for 5. So might as well get closer to that. And then start breaking some stuff. I am a Chevy guy. My very first truck I've ever bought in myself and put on the road was a Chevy 5.3 liter, which I blown up. So I'm just a Chevy guy. I got OBS Chevys, Duramaxes. I just like Chevys. But yeah, 5.3 liter. In case anyone's wondering how I'm dealing with the water issue this time.
Oh.
I'm a plumber by trade, so I got lots of ABS fittings. I'm just making my own ABS snorkel, because why not? So
ABS?
Yeah, plumbing.
No touchy!
I'll just go on right there. I'll just shoot to a filter right here.
Okay, don't touch it. Got it.
Because I love holding the radiator in too.
Are you actually?
Or I shoot out the hood, or I go up and over. I don't know yet.
This is Brent. Bleh, bleh, bleh.
I want to say bean.
Bean?
This is bean,
Like green beans?
yeah, green beans. This is bean.
This has been
There you go.
your spring shop update from Rowdy Relics.
Freaking sweet.
Freaking sweet.